Welcome back. Today we will discuss one other important question, difference between accuracy and precision, because this is one of the important question and it will make sometime confusion also. So I will try to clear the concept of accuracy and precision. But before starting this, first you have to keep in your mind that there is a one target value or mean value or standard value, and you run 20 times control, and now you have 20 results and you have your target value also. Now with these 20 results, how we will understand that our result is accurate or our result have high precision? To make this clear concept, we have to see first that 20 values result is how much close to the target value or accepted value. If all values result is close to the target value, means target was 20 milligram per dl and your result also came 20, 19.8, 19.9, like that, it means your target is very close to, or you got all result 20 only. It means that your value is very close to the accepted value. It means that is highly accurate. So that will be the accuracy. Means accuracy will indicates how close a measurement is to the corrected or accept value. Now about precision. Now you will not focus on the target result and the results you run, but you will only focus on that 20 result values. Means you will see that 20 values are how much close to each other. Now you do not need to focus on your mean value, just you have to focus on that 20 values, that 20 values are how much close to each other. Means for example, if that 20 values came like that, 19, 19.5, 19.2, 19.3, 19.4, it means that values are close to each other. It means that will indicates the precision. So precision, what indicates? Precision indicates the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. In accuracy, we saw that how much values are close to the accepted value or target value or mean value, but in precision we check the closeness of two or more measurements to each other. So first the point is very clear, and first point will also clear the definition. Now second point, what it's written, that your measurement will be close to the standard measurement, same thing, and in precision your measurement will be similar every time you measure. For example, if you measure 20 values and it came like 17, 14, 15, 13, it means that you will not see any precision because values are not close to each other. And last point, that accuracy is not dependent on precision and precision is not dependent on accuracy. Both are need in separate ways. For example, if you have to check your internal quality control, then you will check the precision, that how much your daily values you are running, that values are how much close to each other. But if you are running external quality control, then we will check the accuracy of our machine. Means our machine is giving how much accurate result to the accepted value or the target value. So accuracy we will to check the accuracy of machine, we will focus on accuracy, and to check the external QC we will focus on accuracy, and to check the internal QC we will focus on precision. Now you will come to this diagram. In this diagram also you will see there are 4 circles. We will start from the left side upper circle. The center red circle is target and the black dot showing the results. Now you will see all results are scattered. No one is near to target and even no one is near to each other. So it means there is low accuracy with low precision. Now if you will see the down, you will see the values are near to the target but they are not close to each other. It means highly accurate but low precision. In right side upper diagram you will see there are values close to each other but no one is near to target. It means low accuracy with high precision. And in last diagram you will see all values not only close to the target but they are close to each other, so it is showing high accuracy with high precision. So from this diagram our concept will be clear more about accuracy and precision. So means accuracy was what? Accuracy is that how much values are close to the target value, and precision is what? Precision means how much values are close to each other. So this diagram will clear all the concepts and you can remember always the definition of accuracy and precision, and you understand why we need accuracy and precision. To check our control, to check our machine accuracy we will check, and to check our external QC we will focus on accuracy. That if we run the control, external control, and if that control is values will come to the target value, it means our machine is accurate. And if we are running internal controls and our values are close to each other, it means our machine is showing high precision also. So this diagram also will show you same thing but in a different view. First diagram from left side is accurate also and precision also. Second diagram, as you can see, nothing is near to target, so not accurate, and but there is precision because values are close. And third diagram, there is accuracy because values are near to target but not precise because values are not close to each other. And last diagram, not accuracy also and not precision also. So I hope now the difference between accuracy and precision is fully cleared, and there will be no confusion about accuracy and precision because these two terms are very important. Always there will be a question about accuracy and precision also, and always for to understand the graph, algebra graph especially, it's very helpful to understand, and it's very important also to understand the concept of accuracy and precision. So today's lecture is completing here. I will meet you with new lecture. Until that, take care of yourself, and once again thank you so much for keep supporting my channel. If you have any other topic or any other differences you have to understand, please do write in comments. I will try to clear the concepts. Until that, take care of yourself, stay positive, be healthy, keep happy to each other. Take care.